Okay, y'all, let's jump right into this look. I am taking the Morphe 35B palette and I'm using that matte yellow shade as my transition color. I'm going to take the orange shade right here. This is the same brush, but I forgot what brush it was. So I'm going to leave it down in the description box. And I'm going to place this right in my crease. So now I'm taking the Ace Beauty Classical Paradise palette. And I'm going to take the shade Clay and I'm going to apply that in my crease. So next I'm going to take the shade Earth and also apply this in my crease to deepen up the crease. I really wanted my crease to be really dark. So yeah, I'm just going to keep building up this color. This would be a really pretty look if I just left it as is and just add this earth shade on the lid. You can also do it that way if you guys are looking for like a burgundy smoky eye. So yeah, I'm a little sick. So now I'm taking my e.l.f. HD lifting concealer to carve out my crease. I'm just gonna apply that. And this brush, y'all, all the brushes will be listed down in the description box, okay? So I'm gonna put all the brushes and all the products that I'm using. So, oh my god, I sound so stuffy, like, oh my gosh. So, I'm just gonna cut my crease, and yeah. Now back in the Morphe 35B, I'm gonna take this pink shimmer color, and this is just gonna be the base for my glitter. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. So next I'm going back into that earth color and I am going to take my brush and blend it into my lid. And right after that I'm going to take a matte black eyeshadow and do the same thing. Just blend it in towards the lid. Now for glitter, I'm taking the new Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in the shade Pink Sapphire, and I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer to apply it. So now this is the same brush that I used to cut my crease. Like I said, y'all, everything will be listed down in the description box. So I'm just going to apply the glitter glue right on top of that like shimmery pink color. And now I'm just going to pick up the glitter and, you know, press it onto the glue. So right after that, y'all, I already went ahead and applied my two eyeliners. I did the black and then I decided to just add a purple liner on top. So that's what I did. So these lashes that I'm applying are the Lena Lashes in the style Tamar, which is my fave lash to wear right now. They're super long and they're just nice. I love long mink lashes. Like, it's so pretty. So moving on to skin, I'm just going to take a makeup remover wipe just to take off any glitter fallout on my face. Of course, you guys know I'm going to use my Pond's moisturizer. As you can see, I'm already running out because I use this so much, but it does last a long time. So now I'm going back to my favorite foundation, which is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. Ooh, okay. It's in the shade 09 Tan. I'm just going to apply this all over my face and blend it out with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. And yes, y'all, the sponge is damp. I get a lot of questions about that. The sponge is damp, you guys. Anytime you guys see me blend out with a sponge, it is damp. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to place this under my eyes, on my chin, my nose, forehead. And I'm just going to blend everything out with the same sponge. To set everything, I'm using the Black Radiance Banana Setting Powder. I still use this because I really do like it. Yeah, I'm just going to set everywhere that I place the concealer. Now for bronzer, I'm using the ABH Matte Bronzer in the shade Saddle, which is one of my favorite bronzers ever. It's so good. And this is my large contour brush. You guys know the one I got from Marshalls. I need to go back to Marshalls and get some more brushes because I don't know, I just need some new ones. It's about that time to get some new ones. So now I'm taking this blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Pink Passion, and I'm going to take the darker pink shade on my Real Techniques blush brush to apply a little bit of blush, and then I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup with my Covergirl Setting Spray. Back into the 35B palette, I decided to apply purple to my lower lash line. I really don't know why. I just wanted to do something very different, add a bunch of different colors. I don't know how I came up with this look. So now I'm finally using this LA Girl Glide eyeliner, and I bought it a couple of months ago actually, and I decided to use it finally on my birthday. And now I'm just applying my Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara. You guys know I love Wet n Wild mascaras. They are bomb and they are super affordable. For glow, I'm using the ABH and Amrezy highlighter on this ABH A23 highlighting brush. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna highlight my face, and yeah, the glow is real. I really love this highlighter. It's one of my favorites, and I'm also gonna pop it in the brow bone. I love a brow bone highlight, okay? I say it in almost all my tutorials, like it has to be done. So moving on to lips, I'm going to line my lips with this dark brown lip liner from NK that I got from the beauty supply store. For lipstick, I'm using the Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Buff, and I did end up putting a gloss on top because I love her glosses, okay? These are beautiful. And the gloss is in the shade Estella. It is so pretty. So this is the completed look of my birthday glam, you guys. Thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for 100K. Bye.